Hello, today we'll show you how easy it is to set snaps using the HandyPress. We'll be demonstrating using press and snap fastener dies. With the HandyPress, setting hardware has never been easier. No matter the die, the HandyPress has you covered. In order to install your press and snap die, simply install the included die adapter. Your HandyPress can use cutting, stamping, and hardware installation dies in a variety of sizes. Insert and line up your assembly, pull down the lever, and adjust the shaft to your desired compression. Then install your snaps, insert your assembly, and press down. And now it's installed. The HandyPress makes completing tasks like this super simple. To install the other side of your snap fastener, just swap the top die and the bottom die. Insert the snap, insert your assembly, and press down. It's really that easy. A perfectly set snap. Now your assembly is ready for your project. The HandyPress can handle any die setting task that you need. There has never been a more affordable, one-and-done solution for any project. For a full list of compatible dies, head on over to the HandyPress product page on Sailrite.com. The link is in the description below. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.